Hi everybody, should be getting used to this by now, but I've just uploaded to my GitHub another custom structure location JSON file for DayZ on PlayStation, Xbox or PC. And what I've done is I've created this kind of little military base at Krona Castle in the kind of the west, I guess northwest of Chernarus. And so what you've got is there's several military tents around the area. There's a couple of medical tents as well. There's some vehicles that have kind of jammed up the entrance. So to get in, you've got to shimmy your way through this burnt out bus. And it's quite an interesting place. Now, pretty sure during Halloween, well, according to the i5 map, there's a bonfire at the back of the castle. So I've left that empty. And there'll be various zombies that would spawn in this location, but it's a castle that probably doesn't get visited that much, but I actually think it's probably a little bit more interesting than Devil's Castle as well. So anyway, so this is where it is. There's Krona. As you can see, it's kind of southwest of Lopatino, just north of Bogatrica on the Chernarus map. And to get it, all you need to do is go to my GitHub repository. I'll put a link in the description below the video, and you'll see you've DayZ Chernarus custom military base at Krona Castle JSON XML files download. And to get the kind of set of files, just click on code, download the zip, and then extract them. And what I've done is that there's a photo, so you can look at that, and then the only real file is the Krona Castle base.json. But what you probably want to do is go through the README, because in the README I go through specifically the steps you have to take to install this on your server. So if you're a little bit green with how to install them and how to mess around with the CFG gameplay.json, this file tells you what to do. The file also includes the XML snippet that you'll want to add to your map group pos file. So this snippet is the bit that makes sure that loot will spawn in on the wrecks that you've placed. Now, all of this wouldn't be possible without the DayZ editor from Inclement Dab, so big thank you to him. So you copy and paste that into your map group pos. Now, a little hint and tip: if you can't access your map group pos file from the web browser, download it, edit it locally, and then upload it that way. And then there's a little bit up here that just tells you about the syntax for the object spawn array line in your CFG gameplay.json. But yeah, so I'll put links to that in the description below the video. I think it's pretty cool. I put a little bit of effort into it. There is one mistake actually that I didn't get quite. One of the vehicles, I think, is floating. I've done quite a few of these tents and things. I had to muck around not only with the sort of position, but also the roll, pitch, and yaw, so that you could get into them and there wasn't too much grass poking through them and they weren't poking over edges and stuff like that. But upload it. It's another interesting point of interest to go to on Chernarus. And yeah, if you enjoy it, hit like. If you want to see more, press subscribe, and I will of course see you again soon.